one of the biggest controversies this election season is the pitch of wealth redistribution by Rahul Gandhi. Now, Rahul Gandhi is going ahead and making that plank in almost all his campaign speeches. BJP, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has been taking the Congress head-on its caste and economic survey idea. Rahul Gandhi, too, is going hammer and tongs, clearly talking about redistribution along with his Jitni Abadi, Utna Haq formula. Now, speaking to youngsters in Delhi on the Agnipath scheme, Rahul Gandhi narrated the sequence once again and promised new politics based on this. We are going to play out what Rahul Gandhi said, but just telling you what happened. He was addressing the Agniveers, and at that point of time, Rahul Gandhi once again brought in the wealth redistribution pitch. As per Rahul Gandhi, this is new politics and this is revolutionary. And then there is the BJP, which is accusing the Congress of towing the path of dangerous politics. Now, Rahul Gandhi calls this new politics. The BJP on its part is calling this dangerous politics. And this is what Rahul Gandhi says. He says that this is going to be in line with his Jitni Abadi, Utna Haq formula. Let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi said.
इसीलिए दलितों के लिए, आदिवासियों के लिए, पिछड़ों के लिए, गरीब जनरल कास्ट के लिए, माइनॉरिटीज के लिए सबसे जरूरी काम जाति जनगणना हमने तेलंगाना में किया है और पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हम करने जा रहे हैं। इससे हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति बदलने जा रही है, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के गरीब लोगों को 90% लोगों को अपनी आबादी के बारे में और अपनी हिस्सेदारी के बारे में पता लग जाएगा। हिंदुस्तान की हर संस्था का हम सर्वे कराएंगे, ये पता लगाएंगे कि पिछड़ों के पास कितना धन है, दलितों के पास कितना धन है, आदिवासियों के पास कितना धन है, गरीबों के पास कितना धन है। और जाति जनगणना के बाद तेलंगाना में, पूरे हिंदुस्तान में एक नई राजनीति होगी।
So for Rahul Gandhi, this is Nai Rajniti. The BJP too has picked on Rahul Gandhi's latest pitch on wealth X-ray and what he's calling new politics. BJP's Amit Malviya says this is dangerous and this is delusional. And he also goes on to ask Congress Party's manifesto upholders what they have to say. Referring to this pitch as regressive, the BJP leader also asks where Rahul Gandhi wants to take the nation to. Then there's Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav. He summed up the BJP's assessment of Rahul Gandhi. Let's listen into what he has to say.